I'm Mike.
I'm Joe.
And this is Kart Life TV. What's up, guys? Welcome back to Kart Life TV, where we do fun and dumb stuff with golf carts. We got a really cool video today because today we're going to be putting underbody lights on this brand new MadJax Storm series. This thing has a lithium battery and like 0 miles on the odometer, and we're excited to be working on it today. No DS today. You ready to get to work?
I'm ready. Let's do it.
All right, let's go. So today we're going to be putting this LED rock light kit on a friend of ours, MadJax Storm. This thing is brand new. Joe's getting the box open now. We're going to take a look at what we got here. So we're installing this 8 light pod LED rock light kit on this MadJax golf cart here. This is a pretty cool kit. It's available on Amazon. We'll put the link in the description. It comes with 8 LED pods. They're RGB, means they could change all different colors, red, green, blue, color mixture. They say it has 15 million colors. I don't know if anyone's ever proved that to be true or not, but that's how they advertise these things. It's a pretty generic box here. This is app controlled. It does not come with a switch. It does not come with a remote control or anything. You need your cell phone with the app to work these lights. Very straightforward install. We are, however, going to be installing these with a switch off the battery, so they are able to be turned on and off once the color is set without the smartphone, in case you just want to get in the golf cart and run. So we're going to get started by mounting the lights and putting the controller box exactly where we want it, run all the cables to the controller, and then power it up with 12 volts off the battery through the switch to the controller. How's that sound?
Sounds good.
I think so. All right, we're gonna get to work. All right, so we got all of these light pods mounted. We got 8 of them mounted underneath the cart. We did a real nice job. We used some self-drilling screws, found some flat surfaces. They're on there really nicely in some really good spots. We got them under the wheel wells and then 4 of them underneath the body, 2 on each side. Next thing we need to do is run the wires to the controller and the harness, plug them in, and then power it up, make sure everything works. So let's get to work. Joe's already under the cart. So Joe, you did a good job, man.
Thanks.
Yeah, and Joe ran all the wires, tucked them in real nice, super clean underneath, all zipped up with wire ties. We ran them all to this compartment right here. 2 of them come from the back, so we do have those coming along the frame rail here and down into this side. We're gonna bundle those all up. But before we get these all connected and bundled, we do have to extend the power wire, which is right here. We're gonna use some of this red and black wire. What's really cool about the light kit that's on these, hi Joe, is that it's pre-wired on the switch on the steering column for fog lights or accessories. So we're gonna use that power. It's also super easy because they use the bullet connectors. So we got these, we're gonna put one on the negative, one on the positive, connect it to the switch lead in the dashboard, and then run the wire back to the controller, splice it together there. And I think then we'll be on the home stretch and we'll be able to test these lights out. Looking forward to that. So let's get this done now. install is done, and we're about to test these lights here. We ran all the wires, one from each pod into here, and connected them to the controller harness for the pod lights. We ran power from underneath here where the light kit harness is. We used the fog light power. There's a switch for that on this here, so we didn't have to drill into the dashboard and add an extra switch. If Jason wants to change the switch later on, we can easily do that for him because we have the wires already ran for that. To turn it on, it's easy. You just turn this knob here to the fog light position, and boom. We got underbody light on the golf cart. All right, guys, that wraps up the video. We got the MadJax golf cart here. It's got some awesome underbody lighting. It's got those really cool headlights. And that's it for today. If you like these videos, make sure you subscribe to Kart Life TV, where we do fun and dumb stuff with golf carts. And if you want to support the channel, hit up
Low Speed Living.
lowspeedliving.com. Pick yourself up a hat or a t-shirt. We got a lot of cool stuff on there that goes to support the channel. Other than that, we'll see you guys next time.
Peace.